How to disable dark mode on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable dark mode on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down, scroll until you find here this one, display and brightness. Click on it and then just here we'll find dark mode. Now all you need to do is just disable it and that's it. Go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable dark mode on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.